I am making the Saturday Shrug, which is a free pattern by Jackie Rose, and all it is basically a tube of 1x1 rib, and you add in stripes at your whimsy, however you'd like to make it. And I've decided to do this sequence using up stash. And my quick tip on this is when you are adding a new color to a 1x1 rib, to get a very nice clean line on your stripes when you transition to another color, is to simply knit your first row. So instead of doing the knit one, purl one, you'll just knit every stitch along that first row or round. And then the second round, you'll resume your knit one, purl one.